Check point 3. Pipe A with length L and pipe B with length 2L. Both have two open ends. Which harmonic of pipe B has the same frequency as the fundamental of pipe A? For answering this question, first of all, let's we just draw the figure for these two cases. So I'm going to draw two pipes, pipe A and pipe B. So let's we draw. I have a pipe A. This is pipe A. And what is the length of the pipe A? They mentioned here as L. Likewise, we have the second pipe B, and this pipe length is 2L. So this is pipe B. And they mention these pipes, both ends are open. And here, what they exactly need, we have to give which harmonic for pipe B will have the same frequency as the fundamental frequency of pipe A. So if you want to get the answer for this, first we have to find what is the fundamental frequency for pipe A. So both cases, both ends are open. So let's we find the fundamental frequency for pipe A. So generally, when you have open ends, antinodes will be at the end, right? So this is the fundamental frequency for pipe A. So that means in this length L, you have 2 lambda over 4, which is equal to lambda over 2, right? Because each has the quarter part of the lambda. Now you can see we have to find the frequency for the fundamental. So if you want to find the answer for the frequency, let's we substitute in place of lambda, we can substitute the value of the lambda in terms of frequency and speed. So we know speed, which is equal to frequency multiplied by lambda. Therefore, lambda, which is equal to speed over frequency. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this value and substitute here. So when you substitute, what you'll get? L, which is equal to V over 2F. So therefore, the fundamental frequency of pipe A, which is equal to V over 2L. This is the fundamental frequency. Now we have to give the answer. Which frequency in pipe B will have the same value for the fundamental frequency of pipe A? And here they mention the length of the pipe B is 2L, not L, right? So let's we just frame the equation, because as we know, so the length here I'm going to write as n times of lambda over 4, n times of lambda over 2. So directly we can write the relation because both ends are open. So I'm going to use the same equation, but let's we consider for nth mode, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same thing. In place of lambda, we can substitute V over F. So therefore, L, which is equal to N V over 2F. But here the length is not L. What is the length? The length is 2L. So therefore, the length, which is equal to NV over 4F. So let's we compare pipe A with pipe B length, because both left hand side of L. So I'm going to equate this term with this term. When you equate, what you get? V over 2F, which is equal to NV over 4F. We can cancel this term and then we can cancel. If you cancel these two, you will get 2. So that means you will get 1, which is equal to N over 2. So therefore, N, which is equal to 2. So that means here it clearly shows the second mode of the frequency will have the same frequency as the fundamental frequency of the pipe A. Clear? So when you find the answer for the second mode, that means the F2 value, the F2 of pipe B will give the answer for F1 of pipe A. So this is the answer. So that means in the second mode, you will get the same frequency as the fundamental frequency of pipe A. If you want, we can find the answer. So let's we draw the diagram for n is equal to 2. This is pipe B. So here we have 2L distance. So this is the n is equal to 2. So when the sound waves will be passing through the pipe, let's we see, we will get the same answer as the fundamental frequency. So in this total length of 2L, how much lambda we have? Quarter, that means 4 lambda over 4 we have. So therefore lambda, which is equal to 2L, when you substitute the formula for V over F, which is equal to 2L, therefore frequency, which is equal to V over 2L. So you can see we got the same answer as the fundamental frequency of pipe A. So pipe A fundamental frequency V over 2L. When you find the answer for n is equal to 2 for pipe 2, we'll get the same answer. So this is just to cross check our answer. Clear? So n is equal to 2 is the answer for this question. That's it. Thank you.